This is the Pancky Metal Detector, the ultimate tool for professional treasure hunters and metal detector enthusiasts. Professional and accurate, this treasure detector is designed for adults who love treasure hunting and metal detecting. It is powered by an upgraded second-generation DSP chip, which enables a 25% increase in detection depth. With Pancky, you can find all metals, in all terrains, all the time. With Pancky, nothing escapes your notice. With a 10-inch waterproof search coil, Pancky can work in shallow water and is easy to clean and save. Its battery life is approximately 7 hours, so you can detect for longer. Pancky has a large LCD display that allows you to see the type of metal target, depth, recognition, sensitivity level, operating mode, and more. With an ergonomic design that includes an adjustable stem, armrest, and an anti-slip handle, it provides a comfortable grip and balance for hours of detecting. Pancky is lightweight and easy to carry. Don't settle for anything less than the best. The Pancky Metal Detector PK0075 is the ultimate tool for serious metal detector enthusiasts. Start your treasure hunting journey today with the PK0075, your ticket to finding hidden treasures and valuable metal objects.